Ever since the beginning of the community development program, I have taken deep interest in it. It did much good, but it became clear later that something else should be done to give fresh vitality to our work in rural areas. This impetus was provided by the Panchayati Raj program, which was not only an extension of community development but was also qualitatively somewhat different. It also went deeper into the roots of our village structure. Therefore, I was deeply interested in it and attached great importance to it. It struck me as an attempt to strike at the roots of our weakness, especially in rural areas. The measure of success it may attain depends on the workers connected with it as well as a large number of others who are closely associated with it. To what extent it has succeeded, it is difficult for me to say without more detailed information, but I am convinced that it is working on right lines, and if the people connected with it realize its inner significance, its success is assured. On achieving independence, we inherited not only various psychologies and habits of the British times, but also an administrative apparatus which, though good in its own way, for the purpose the British government has in view, did not fit into the new order that we are trying to build. Many of our officials were well trained and good, but naturally they were too much tied up with the old order. We came to realize gradually that the whole outlook of our administrative structure has to change if real progress is to be made. In particular, it has to change in the lower rank and in rural India. The old attitude was no good. It had to be replaced by full identification with the mass of our people and a growing responsibility being cast on the people themselves. After all, the main aim of community development and Panchayati Raj was to develop this outlook and a spirit of self-reliance amongst the people. The fact that those people were quite often not trained and had other failings was obvious. Nevertheless, the only way to train them and to lessen their failing was to give them the enhance of shouldering responsibility and learning by their own mistakes. We have to undertake many development schemes, but the biggest projects to all is to build men and women.